In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Draw.io. If you want to leave feedback, notes, or reminders directly inside your diagram, Draw.io makes that process very simple. Comments are useful when you're collaborating with other people, reviewing a diagram later, or just keeping track of ideas without changing the actual design. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect on screen, so you can add a comment quickly and confidently. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. There you'll find the comment icon. It looks like a small chat bubble with lines inside it, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Go ahead and click that icon. As soon as you do, a small comment panel will appear. This panel is where Draw.io keeps comments for the current diagram. If you haven't added any comments yet, it may look mostly empty, and that's completely normal. What you want to look for next is the plus icon located at the bottom right corner of that panel. Click the plus icon to start creating a new comment. After you click it, a text field will appear. This is where you can type your comment, enter the message you want to save, whether that's a quick note, a suggestion for a change, or a reminder for yourself or your team. It's usually a good idea to keep comments clear and specific so they're easy to understand later, especially if multiple people are viewing the same diagram. Once your comment is typed in, click Save. That will add the comment to the diagram through the comments panel. At that point, your note has been successfully created and is ready for reference whenever you or someone else opens the file again. That's all there is to it. As you can see, adding a comment in Draw.io is a very straightforward process. You open the comments panel, click the plus icon, type your message, and save it. If you're using comments regularly, this can make collaboration much smoother and help keep discussions organized without cluttering the diagram itself. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to add a comment in Draw.io quickly and easily.